Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see a simple modification to create a doorbell. So this is our doorbell. So when I press, so it will ring the doorbell, and it has a pause period of 3 seconds also. So if I just press it directly it will not ring. So I have to wait for 3 seconds and then press. Now if I just press it, it will not ring. So if I wait for 3 seconds and press again, it would ring. So I have not used this type of switch because like it is very thin and it wasn't able to penetrate deeply into the cardboard. So this is a thick Amazon box, so like I had used a different kind of switch. So let's just see the wiring, and like I just pasted a switch sticker here to give a much better impression. So let's just see the wiring here. So as you can see, like it is a simple tactile momentary switch and the two wires are coming, and the one wire is going into VCC and the other wire is going into pin 32. So one wire is going into red color 3.3 volt and the other wire is going into pin 32. So I have to wait for 3 seconds. So in this video we'll see how to write the code for the doorbell. First thing we need is the sensor kit extension. So this is a premium extension, so you need subscription for CodeSkool. Then we'll go into sound, just delete this default. Search for like doorbell. Now first I need to set pin 32 as input pull down, and then I have to just wait. Go into the sound and like use this. So this is our code, like so first thing we are doing is setting pin 32 as input pull down, so that when the switch is pressed it is connected shorted to VCC and the pin would be high, otherwise it would be always like default low. Then I'm just waiting for 1 second for that Bluetooth command to be processed, and in the forever loop I'm like checking if pin 32 is high, and after check I am just waiting for 1 second for the loop to again start and like send again the Bluetooth command to like check. And if the pin is high I'm like just playing the doorbell sound and waiting for 3-second pause period. So this is our code. So as usual, like we have to go here, connect the sensor kit, wait for a few seconds, go to editor and just run it. So now if I press the doorbell, it would play the doorbell sound. and I have to wait for 3 seconds for the doorbell to become active again, because like I have put a 3 second delay here. So if it is already playing the doorbell sound, like you can't continuously play that sound, so it will wait for 3 seconds. And here we have put that until then condition, so it would play the whole sound, then again wait for 3 seconds, and then again like wait for another second, 4 seconds, and then this loop will again start.